Hello, this tutorial will explain how to navigate the online application system. This tutorial will cover understanding the applicant dashboard, organization profile, searching for grants, completing the application, how to upload, ready to submit, nonprofit contact change. Part 1, understanding the application dashboard. Visit the GTCF website or enter the link provided on your screen. From the GTCF website, click the three dots, click on Grants, scroll down to this section, How to Apply, click here. Grant seekers are recommended to bookmark this link for future reference. There are several ways to access the link from the GTCF grant page. Once you've logged into the online system, click the home icon to access the application dashboard. Application dashboard provides several features. Information about individual applicant, as well as the organization contact information. These two items will appear on every application that is submitted by an individual applicant. There's also the active request and historical request sections. If you click either tab, you will have access to the application content from previous submissions. Historical requests include declined and abandoned requests. All others, including drafts, will appear on the active request side of the dashboard. To edit individual information of the applicant, click the pencil icon. If changes need to be made to the organization profile or information, contact the foundation office. More information about how to update this information will be explained later in this video. In addition to the active request and historic request information that is available, at the top you will find a tutorial on how to complete grant-related reports. See your applicant dashboard for that information. Organization profile. Organization profile and information is pulled from this section. As explained, this information is copied onto all applications that are linked to the individual applicant. To update organization information, contact the foundation office. Searching for grants. From the applicant dashboard, click the blue Apply icon. A new page will open up. Applicants can scroll through the page of available applications by simply scrolling down the webpage. Or you can enter specific phrases or content into the quick search section and then press enter. Once you've selected a grant, review the grant summary, which is listed within the section. Review the deadline, which is also listed in at least 2 locations. It's always to the left of the apply button and within the summary of the grant. Also note the assigned foundation staff to contact additional information. For invite-only grant opportunities, enter the provided code into this section entitled Enter Access Code. Click Enter Code. To preview grants before submitting an application, click the Preview button. If your organization already uses Grant Hub, you can connect your data right here. Once you're ready to apply, click the blue Apply button to enter the grant. Grant seekers, please note, you can apply for more than one grant listed on the website, and you can submit more than one request within the same process. See the assigned foundation contact with additional questions about grant fund opportunities. Completing an application. For a list of all questions within the application, click Question List. For additional information about the grant instructions, to access the grant guidelines, this will be provided within the background information section of the grant. You will also have access to the Collaborate feature, which provides access to other individuals within your nonprofit that you would like to have access to the particular grant. If you have a GuideStar profile, you can link information from the public profile into the application. For specific grant opportunities, you may be allowed to copy previously submitted responses into future applications. If this applies, the copy feature will appear at the top of your screen. Please note, as mentioned previously, the applicant information as well as the organization information was automatically entered into the application. For additional questions, contact the assigned program and foundation staff. How to upload. Within the application, an applicant will be required to upload specific information. The list of required uploads is available within the grant guideline for each individual opportunity. Simply click upload a file, follow your computer-specific instructions on how to download and upload a single document. Each upload question only permits one document per upload. If you want to upload additional documents within the application, either upload the additional documents into the additional upload section, which is always at the bottom of the application, or combine documents into a single upload in an existing question. Ready to submit? Once you've completed the application, click Submit Application. The due date will appear at the bottom of the screen before you hit Submit. To save or abandon the request, hit Save or Abandon. Those two options will not receive a review by the foundation. Please note that only requests submitted before the deadline will be reviewed. Nonprofit contact change. When to update the nonprofit contacts. If your nonprofit has had a leadership change within the organization or department, contact the foundation to update that information. If your nonprofit has had a physical mailing address change, contact the foundation office. If anything else applies, including individuals required for grant writing or reporting, if their information changes, contact the foundation office. Thank you.